Emergency, third video today, guys. I can't believe I'm making a third video today because it's already super late, but check this out. I just had to, right? Because just recently occurred, and it seems like perhaps the economy is soon to implode, guys, right? And it will happen in real time. From Endless Capital, Mark Cuban selling his stake in the Mavericks and also leaving Shark Tank. Wait, what? When Cuban cashes out, you know S is about to hit the fan, right? It's about to get really bad. So if anyone doesn't know, he sold all of his tech stocks right at the top in 2000, right? So supposedly Mark Cuban is selling his stake, guys. Wow. In the Mavericks, I think that's the basketball team, and it's also leaving Shark Tank so it's like a double hit, right? Killing two birds with one stone because he's selling, guys, right? And why though? That's the real question. Now, some people said that, what's it called? He may be running for president, right? Others are saying that it's perhaps he knows that a market crash could be imminent, right? Some other people are saying he doesn't know anything though, right? So this is just my belief. I do believe they're selling because they're preparing for a crash on the horizon, but I don't believe it's going to be imminent, like tomorrow or anything, right? So again, what did we say? Again, go watch the videos we got the receipts, guys, right? Guys, we literally have the receipts, folks, because months back we said it on this channel that not crypto, but when companies sell, right, the CEOs sell their shares and whatnot, they're going to be doing that more often. Why? Because they're not going to dump it on everyone's head a day before the damn collapse occurs. They're going to slowly start selling before that day comes through, right? Not to mention, guys, the Bitcoin spot ETF is going to be approved, and Coinbase is going to be the custodian, and they're going to be making a killing. That's why Coinbase insiders are dumping a ton of Coinbase shares, as we see right here. Even Coinbase is coming into play, guys, right? Why? Because So here are all the sales, guys. No way. Wait, what? Oh my. So all the sales. So this dates back to November 9th, 2023, the start, okay, of the data. It goes back then, guys. Or wait a minute. Filing. Yep. Okay. So a couple weeks back, we see the director of Coinbase sell how much? This is shares, right? Sold 5,000 plus another 4,000 plus another 3,000 shares, right? For a total amount of, in dollar value, $1 million right there, almost $1.5 million, right? That's only the director. Now, we go up here, November 16th. Coinbase CEO and chairman Brian Armstrong sold as well. November 16th, okay? All the way to November 20th. How much did he sell? Let's see. So he sold 1,000, 9,000 shares, 7,000, 200, 1,000, 200, 100, 1,000, 1,000, 300, and 1,500 more shares, guys, right? In total, that's a lot of money, as you guys can see, right? Basically in the millions of dollars. So why though, right? Remember, this is the CEO, guys. Do we not understand what's happening, right? Then we go up here. Some other director guys sold. Wow, look at this. 1 million, 2 million, 1.5 million, another million right there, guys. 300K. This person sold, right? From Coinbase. Executives are all selling, guys. And then Brian Armstrong comes for a seconds, guys, right? This is not a joke. He comes back and sells, look at this, hundreds of thousands more, right? Even to top it off, $1.2 million right there, right? That's all profits, by the way. Now another executive comes into play, chief people officer. This person sold hundreds of thousands, right? Basically in the lower millions of dollars, guys. He profited. Look at all these executives just selling. That's insane. Why are they selling, guys, right? Coinbase shares. That's insane, right? Someone asked, do they have a history of selling tops? Bitfinex replied, oh, yes. So this is obviously a warning to be had, guys, because not only is BlackRock selling, what's it called? BlackRock selling, Apple selling, Amazon selling. We now see Coinbase selling as well, guys. Right? Like, you guys can just see in plain view what's happening with Coinbase. I don't even need to explain any further. That's just insanity. Oh, and if you thought that was bad, no, because Nvidia insiders continue to sell executive VP just 30% of her shares, right? For how much? Does that say 20 million? Right here, 5 million, right? Wow, executives are selling like, I'm done, guys. Okay, so this is just 100%. Okay, it's not 100%, guys, but higher chances, right? It's now highly likely that a recession could be on the horizon, probably in Q1, Q2 of 2024, and then we pump back up again, possibly, who knows. I will talk about it on my second channel. But Coinbase co-founder just sold $9 million in shares. Okay, PayPal insider just sold a boatload of stock, over 45% of their stake. For how much? $3.6 million, right? And then Walmart sold $1 billion plus. I mean, if that doesn't say something, guys, I don't know. Kathy Wood's ARK dumped 700,000 GBTC shares in 1 month as well. Uh-oh. There you go, guys, right? We don't even need to look at charts or anything. I mean, there are the indicators, not financial advice, but PayPal insider trading alert, right? They just sell, guys, and major insider selling at DKNG CFO dumps 87% of shares. And I'm not really sure about what company this is. Oh, it's DraftKings, as you guys can see. I mean, the CFO just dumped 87%, guys. It's 87%. Watching this closely, VIX is a volatility index. When you see it spike, it's usually a bad thing, right? What happened there, guys? Volatility is imminent, right? A black swan perhaps is truly on the horizon. I mean, if they're all selling, I think it is maybe in 2024 probably. Now, black swan event. This person says black swan event tomorrow on S&P 500. It can drop 300 points in a single day. Then he states stock market now ready to crash. Have fun. He even warned that the crash will happen. You were warned here for the first time this year. I see that the stock market will crash big time, way worse than the sea crash, right? Now, I highly doubt it's going to crash tomorrow, guys. Okay? Like a black swan will appear out of nowhere. I highly doubt it. Maybe in 2024, yeah. But now, no, not in my opinion, but not financial advice. 80% of Americans' households are in a worse financial position now than they were before the sea thing happened, right? Well, that was a plan to have a two-tiered system, guys, right? The wealthy and not the poor, but the universal basic income, guys, the folks, right? Could that be a good thing or a bad thing? Maybe we'll talk about in another video. From Zero Hedge, and we are off again. Total United States debt rises $61 billion overnight, hits record $33 trillion on Friday, $173 billion away from $34 trillion, and we hit 33 trillion just 2 months ago, right? It's rising. That debt is rising, guys. This is how we know something is incoming, right? Not just anything. No, we're talking about we're traveling through uncharted waters. From Gold Telegraph, the CEO of the largest bank in America says the United States economy is in a sugar high. It's a full-blown addiction to debt, and the curse is not rehab. It is a reset. Exactly. Why? Because here comes Jamie Dimon, guys, right? Says the United States is addicted to debt and has created a dangerous sugar high in the economy, a bankster. He points to the numerous surge of new debt taken on during the thing that occurred just recently, right? That event that happened, guys, is 1,000% guaranteed, by the way, an acceleration towards the collapse, right? It was just to boost everything up. He says that money is like a drug in the hands of consumers. We are on this sugar high, and I'm not saying this ends in a depression, but I think there's more inflationary forces out there. There is a higher chance that rates go higher, inflation doesn't go away, and all these things cause more problems of some sort. Probably nothing, guys. Wow. That's insane, right? Jamie Dimon isn't ready to feel good about the economy yet. We have been spending money like drunken sailors. That's a huge warning, right? He's right though. Although one suspects Bank President Diamond is attacking printing because he would prefer the trillions to go to bank bailouts. Remember, cutting rates without restarting quantitative easing won't help the fiscal picture, where the Naces now adds $1 trillion in debt every 3 months. Someone has to buy it, especially if rates drop, so the Fed will need a crisis. Could that be the case, guys? Sure seems like it, doesn't it? America's headed for an interest payment crisis, guys. Right? $31 trillion debt is no joke. When it collapses, guys, it's going to be catastrophic. And this is why perhaps they're all selling. So, seems like time is near. Let us prepare for the finale. Not financial advice. Oh, and not to mention, gold is on the verge of a historic breakout, guys, right? Exactly. So something is happening, guys. Let us prepare for the end. Not financial advice and not financial advice once again. But anyways, guys, hope you guys are amazing this. See ya.